Are you ready to take your embroidery game to the next level? Have you been searching for the perfect machine to bring your creative visions to life? Look no further. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 9 embroidery machines that are revolutionizing the industry. From entry-level models to professional-grade powerhouses, we've got something for everyone. So grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's dive into the world of embroidery excellence. 9. Innov-is M380D. Let's start our countdown with the Innov-is M380D, a machine that's perfect for those just dipping their toes into the world of embroidery. This compact machine offers a 100 by 100 millimeter embroidery area, which is suitable for small to medium-sized projects. It comes with 200 built-in embroidery designs, including 65 Disney patterns, which is a nice touch for those who love adding a bit of magic to their creations. One of the standout features of the M380D is its user-friendly interface. The 3.7-inch color LCD touchscreen makes it easy to navigate through designs and adjust settings. However, I found that the screen can be a bit slow to respond at times, which can be frustrating when you're trying to work quickly. The machine offers 181 built-in stitches for regular sewing, which is a decent selection for most projects. It also includes 10 buttonhole styles and 4 lettering fonts, giving you some versatility in your creations. The automatic needle threader is a handy feature, especially for those with less than perfect eyesight. During my testing, I noticed that while the M380D performs well on most fabrics, it can struggle a bit with thicker materials. The machine tends to skip stitches on denim or leather, which might be a deal breaker for those who work frequently with these materials. Overall, the Innov-is M380D is a solid choice for beginners or casual embroiderers. It offers a good range of features at a reasonable price point. However, more experienced users or those looking to tackle larger projects might find themselves outgrowing this machine relatively quickly. Number 8. Innov-is NV880E. Moving up our list, we have the Innov-is NV880E, a dedicated embroidery machine that offers a step up in terms of embroidery area and design options. With a generous 260 by 160 millimeter embroidery field, this machine allows for larger designs and less frequent rehooping. The NV880E comes loaded with 258 built-in embroidery designs, giving you plenty of options right out of the box. It also features 13 font styles, including 3 Japanese fonts, which is great for adding personalized touches to your projects. The machine's ability to import designs via USB is a welcome feature, expanding your creative possibilities. One of the standout features of the NV880E is its advanced needle threader, which makes setup a breeze. The machine also boasts a maximum embroidery speed of 850 stitches per minute, allowing you to complete projects more quickly. However, I found that at higher speeds, the machine can become quite noisy, which might be an issue if you're working in a shared space or during late hours. The 4.9-inch color LCD touchscreen is a significant improvement over the M380D, offering clearer visuals and more responsive controls. The on-screen editing functions, including resizing, rotating, and combining designs, are intuitive and easy to use. While the NV880E offers many improvements over its smaller sibling, I did encounter some issues with thread tension during my testing. The automatic tension system sometimes struggles to maintain consistent tension across different fabric types, requiring manual adjustments more often than I'd like. This can be a bit of a learning curve for less experienced users. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Innov-is NV880E is a solid choice for those looking to focus solely on embroidery and want a machine that can handle larger designs. 7. Innov-is F540E. As we move further up our list, we come to the Innov-is F540E, a machine that strikes a nice balance between features and affordability. This model offers a 180 by 130 millimeter embroidery area, which is a step up from the M380D, but not quite as large as the NV880E. However, it's still plenty of space for most home embroidery projects. The F540E comes with 193 built-in embroidery designs, providing a good variety of options to get you started. It also includes 13 embroidery fonts in 3 sizes, giving you plenty of flexibility for adding text to your projects. During my testing, I found the font selection to be quite versatile, suitable for everything from delicate monograms to bold statements. One of the standout features of the F540E is its color sorting function. This clever feature groups similar colors together, reducing the number of thread changes required and saving you valuable time. I found this particularly useful when working on complex designs with multiple color changes. The machine's 3.7-inch color LCD touchscreen is clear and easy to navigate. While it's not as large as some higher-end models, it's more than adequate for viewing and editing designs. The on-screen editing functions are intuitive, allowing you to resize, rotate, and combine designs with ease. In terms of performance, the F540E impressed me with its smooth operation and consistent stitch quality. The maximum embroidery speed of 650 stitches per minute is respectable, allowing you to complete projects in a timely manner without sacrificing quality. The machine also runs quietly, which is a plus if you like to embroider while watching TV or late at night. Number 6. Innov-is F580. Moving up to number 6 on our list, we have the Innov-is F580, a versatile combination machine that offers both sewing and embroidery capabilities. This model builds upon the features of the F540E, adding sewing functionality and some additional embroidery features. The F580 maintains the 180 by 130 mm embroidery area of its predecessor, which is suitable for most home embroidery projects. It comes with 241 built-in stitches for sewing, including 10 one-step buttonholes, giving you plenty of options for your sewing projects. On the embroidery side, it offers 193 built-in embroidery designs and 13 fonts, providing a good variety of options right out of the box. One of the features I particularly appreciated during my testing was the advanced needle threading system. It's a real time saver, especially when you're switching threads frequently for complex embroidery designs. The F580 also includes an automatic thread cutter, which adds to its user-friendly nature. The machine's 3.7-inch color LCD touchscreen is clear and responsive, making it easy to navigate through both sewing and embroidery functions. The on-screen editing capabilities for embroidery designs are impressive, allowing you to resize, rotate, and combine designs with ease. I found the interface to be intuitive, even when switching between sewing and embroidery modes. In terms of performance, the F580 impressed me with its smooth operation in both sewing and embroidery modes. The maximum embroidery speed of 650 stitches per minute is maintained from the F540E, providing a good balance between speed and stitch quality. The machine also handles a variety of fabrics well, from delicate silks to heavier denims. Number 5. Innov-is NV2700. As we enter the top 5 of our list, we come to the Innov-is NV2700, a high-end combination machine that takes both sewing and embroidery to the next level. This machine offers a generous 160 by 260 mm embroidery area, allowing for larger designs and less frequent rehooping. The NV2700 comes loaded with an impressive 291 built-in embroidery designs and 17 fonts, giving you a vast array of options right out of the box. On the sewing side, it offers 291 built-in stitches, including 10 one-step buttonholes, providing ample variety for even the most ambitious sewing projects. One of the standout features of the NV2700 is its large 8.3-inch LCD touchscreen. During my testing, I found this screen to be a joy to use. It's bright, clear, and highly responsive, making it easy to navigate through the machine's many features and edit designs on the fly. The ability to view designs in full color and actual size before stitching is a real game changer. The machine's automatic needle threader and thread cutter are both excellent time savers, especially when working on complex projects with multiple color changes. The NV2700 also features an automatic thread tension system, which I found to work exceptionally well across a variety of fabric types and thicknesses. In terms of performance, the NV2700 truly shines. Its maximum embroidery speed of 1,150 stitches per minute allows you to complete projects quickly without sacrificing quality. The machine runs smoothly and quietly, even at higher speeds. I was particularly impressed with its ability to handle intricate designs and maintain consistent stitch quality across different fabric types. 4. Stellaire2 Innov-ís XJ2. As we approach the top of our list, we come to the Stellaire2 Innov-ís XJ2, a machine that truly pushes the boundaries of what's possible in home embroidery. This high-end model offers a massive 240 by 360 mm embroidery area, allowing for extra-large designs and even less frequent rehooping. The XJ2 comes preloaded with an astounding 780 built-in embroidery designs, including over 100 Disney designs. It also features 26 fonts, giving you an incredible range of options for personalizing your projects. During my testing, I was consistently impressed by the variety and quality of the built-in designs. One of the standout features of the XJ2 is its large 10.1-inch high-definition LCD touchscreen. This tablet-like display is a joy to use, offering crystal-clear visuals and highly responsive controls. The ability to view designs in lifelike color and actual size before stitching is incredibly helpful, especially when working on complex projects. The machine's wireless connectivity is another game changer. You can easily transfer designs from your computer or mobile device to the machine without the need for USB sticks. The XJ2 is also compatible with Brother's ArtSpira app, which allows you to create designs on your mobile device and send them directly to the machine. In terms of performance, the XJ2 is top-notch. Its maximum embroidery speed of 1,150 stitches per minute allows for quick project completion without compromising on quality. The machine handles intricate designs with ease, maintaining consistent stitch quality even on challenging fabrics. One feature that I found particularly impressive is the XJ2's Innov-i Plus technology. This camera-based system allows for precise design placement and even lets you scan your hooped fabric to preview your design in its actual position before stitching. This level of precision is invaluable, especially when working on high-stakes projects. Number 3. Innovative PR680W. Breaking into our top 3 is the innovative PR680W, a multi-needle embroidery powerhouse that's designed for high-volume production. This 6-needle machine offers a generous 200 by 300 mm embroidery area, allowing for large designs and efficient production. The PR680W comes with 763 built-in embroidery designs and 50 built-in fonts, providing an extensive library of options right out of the box. During my testing, I was impressed by the variety and quality of the built-in designs, which range from intricate florals to bold geometric patterns. One of the standout features of the PR680W is its large 10.1-inch LCD touchscreen. The high-definition display offers crystal-clear visuals and responsive controls, making it easy to navigate through the machine's many features and edit designs on the fly. The ability to view designs in full color and actual size before stitching is incredibly helpful, especially when working on complex multicolor projects. The machine's wireless connectivity is a game changer for productivity. You can easily transfer designs from your computer to the machine without the need for USB sticks. The PR680W is also compatible with Brother's Design Database Transfer and My Stitch Monitor mobile apps, allowing you to manage your designs and monitor your embroidery progress from your smartphone or tablet. In terms of performance, the PR680W truly shines. Its maximum embroidery speed of 1,000 stitches per minute allows for rapid project completion without sacrificing quality. The machine handles multiple color changes with ease, thanks to its 6-needle design. I was particularly impressed by the machine's ability to maintain consistent tension and stitch quality, even when working with challenging fabrics or thread types. One feature that sets the PR680W apart is its crosshair embroidery drop-light laser. This innovative feature projects a precise guideline onto your fabric, ensuring perfect design placement every time. 2. PR1055X 10-needle. Coming in at number 2 on our list is the PR1055X, a 10-needle embroidery powerhouse that takes production capabilities to new heights. This machine offers an impressive 360 by 200 mm embroidery area, allowing for extra-large designs and even more efficient production than its 6-needle counterpart. The PR55X comes loaded with an astounding 1,184 built-in embroidery designs and 37 fonts, providing an extensive library of options to suit virtually any project. During my testing, I was consistently impressed by the variety and quality of the built-in designs, which range from intricate lace patterns to bold applique designs. One of the standout features of the PR1055X is its large 10.1-inch LCD touchscreen. The high-definition display offers incredibly clear visuals and highly responsive controls, making it a breeze to navigate through the machine's many features and edit designs on the fly. The ability to view designs in lifelike color and actual size before stitching is invaluable, especially when working on complex multicolor projects. The machine's wireless connectivity is a major productivity booster. You can easily transfer designs from your computer or mobile device to the machine without the need for USB sticks. The PR1055X is also compatible with Brother's suite of mobile apps, including Design Database Transfer and My Stitch Monitor, allowing you to manage your designs and monitor your embroidery progress from anywhere. In terms of performance, the PR1055X is truly in a league of its own. Its maximum embroidery speed of 1,000 stitches per minute, combined with its 10-needle design, allows for incredibly rapid project completion without sacrificing quality. 1. Aveneer EV1. And now we've reached the pinnacle of our list with the Aveneer EV1, Brother's latest innovation in embroidery technology. This machine is not just an upgrade, it's a complete reimagining of what an embroidery machine can be. The EV1 offers a revolutionary 360-degree cylindrical embroidery field, opening up possibilities that were previously unimaginable in home embroidery. The EV1's unique design allows for seamless embroidery around cylindrical items such as sleeves, pant legs, and even hats. This eliminates the need for multiple hoopings and ensures perfect alignment every time. During my testing, I was consistently amazed by the machine's ability to create intricate, continuous designs on items that would have been challenging or impossible with traditional flatbed machines. The machine comes preloaded with over 1,000 built-in designs and 37 fonts, providing an extensive library of options right out of the box. But what truly sets the EV1 apart is its ability to create and execute designs that wrap completely around cylindrical objects. This opens up a whole new world of creative possibilities for personalization and custom products. The EV1 features a large, high-resolution 10.1-inch LCD touchscreen that's a joy to use. The interface is intuitive and responsive, making it easy to navigate through the machine's many features and edit designs on the fly. The screen can be tilted and rotated, allowing for comfortable viewing from any angle. In terms of connectivity, the EV1 is fully equipped for the modern era. It offers both Wi-Fi and wired network connectivity, allowing you to transfer designs wirelessly from your computer or mobile device. The machine is also compatible with Brother's suite of embroidery apps, enabling remote monitoring and management of your projects. Final thought. And there you have it, folks. Our countdown of the top 9 embroidery machines on the market today. From entry-level models to revolutionary innovations, there's something here for every embroidery enthusiast. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your professional setup, I hope this list has given you some valuable insights to help you make the right choice for your needs. Remember, the best machine for you is the one that fits your specific requirements and budget. So, which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on all things embroidery. Until next time, happy stitching!